cook an amazing
Decoration delicious. Changing it up just a little bit.
I don't know where that even came from.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I am Spencer.
I'm Christy.
And we are winding down our time here on the Gulf Coast in Texas. And we've had what feels like unseasonably cold weather for the great state of Texas. So now that the sun is out and it's beautiful, we are trying to soak up as much beach time as we can before we depart.
Yeah, so it just seemed like the perfect opportunity to come out here, have a wonderful meal on the beach, and watch the sunset over the bay. We're just doing really fun jalapeno cheddar sliders with some curly fries.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Today, to get us started, you are going to get the curly fries.
Step number one is getting the fries on. So these are actually frozen curly fries, and we've done this before, but you can cook frozen fries on the griddle just as easily as you can cook them in the oven, and I would argue that they taste much better.
I think they actually get crispier on our Blackstone than they do in the oven.
Yep, so I've already got the griddle up to high. I'm just gonna throw some oil down and throw these fries right on to get them going while we make the burgers.
All right. Like we said, we're making jalapeno cheddar sliders today. It's really simple. We're gonna cut up and dice some jalapenos as small as we can.
Well, I asked if you were going to slice them into rings or if you were going to dice them, and you kind of said yes.
No, I was going to do both. I cut them into rings and then dice them.
Right.
They're rings. But apparently that's wrong. So we're going to learn from the pepper cutting master, a jalapeno pepper cutting master right here, folks. Tune in.
Now that we have our two halves, we're going to slice them lengthwise. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are leaving the veins and the seeds in the peppers as we dice them.
Actually, I'm going to do one after you.
Yes, you do one after me.
Because I think mine's going to be better than... You know, I'm really concentrating to make sure I do this better than Spencer did. Up next, I am going to freshly shred some sharp cheddar cheese. We don't need a ton of either the jalapeno or the cheddar. Again, we're making sliders here. So I'm probably going to do maybe like a fourth or a third of the block. All right, so we've got a little bit over a pound of ground beef, 80-20. That's what Spencer likes because there's more flavor. And the next ingredient I'm gonna add is the cheddar cheese because our son Cade actually doesn't love peppers, so I'm gonna make a couple of sliders for him without the jalapeno, and then we'll add the jalapeno. This is a fun part. Get in there. All right, 2 little non-jalapeno sliders coming up for our little guy. Almost like meatball size.
All right, so time to...
Peppers, let's dump.
Check on the fries again.
The one thing about jalapenos is we really don't know what we're gonna get. Some jalapenos are much hotter than others. The fries are looking good. We're about to get the sliders on. So I'm going to just kind of make them a little bit more patty-like, which I'm just gently pressing down a little bit, because I still want these sliders to have some thickness to them as we cook them. Last and probably best step before they go on the griddle, we are gonna sprinkle some whiskey burger.
The fries are looking good. I'm gonna give them one last check before we get the sliders on. And then I'm gonna get some oil down for the sliders. Use our porthole. Then we're gonna hit them with some more of that whiskey burger. It is almost time to flip the sliders, so I'm going to throw some salt on the fries so that they are salty and ready. And I think it's time to give these sliders a flip. Little mini cheese skirts on the sides of these. These are probably the smallest hamburgers I've ever made.
Well, because they're sliders.
All right, everything is ready? Ready to get these things plated up?
Absolutely.
Get some buns going?
Let's do it. All right, I'm just gonna add the buns and then we'll put some fries on here. I'm gonna bring Cade over here. He actually wanted to be the toothpicker. Can you put the toothpicks in? See how I did that? You wanna put them in those 4. In the bun, all the way through the meat. There you go.
All Are you ready to roll?
These look phenomenal. Smell delicious.
They smell so good.
All right.
I'm gonna actually dab a bit of the
Oh,
Stubbs.
that's right. You.
Because we're in Texas. Stubbs spicy barbecue sauce. It is the best.
You got your slider ready, Busman?
You got one for you, buddy?
Ready? Yes, the jalapeno flavor.
It's a good
So
jalapeno.
good.
Cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
Barbecue sauce tops it off.
So delicious. Oh yeah, I'm loving this.
And I can eat probably 50 of these.
Me too. What do you think? You like it? Thumbs up? All right.
Good stuff. All right.
Please subscribe. I want to say ring the bell. That's not right. That's CJ's show.
We appreciate you guys watching. We would love it if you would subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we have new videos come out. Go check out blackstoneproducts.com and look at all or watch all the other shows that are on the Blackstone YouTube channel. Fantastic food and fantastic people. So until next time, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.